Kalau kalian mau download Babo, kalian bisa cari Babo di Play Store atau klik link yang ada di deskripsi. I am Ilnam San. I am Ilnam San. You don't mess with me, okay? Let's play, okay? Let's play. Okay, I have my rings, okay? My rings, okay? I put it in my hand, okay? Okay. How many? How many here? Odd or even? Odd? One more time, okay? Okay. How many? Odd or even? Before you die, I sing for you, okay? Okay? Because I feel bad, you know? I feel bad that you lose, right? Okay. Let me sing for you, okay? Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark. Baby shark do 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 do, Baby shark do 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 do, Baby shark do do do, Baby shark. Okay, your time is up. Yo, what's up guys? Salam santuy. Balik lagi sama gue Dennis di channel Dennis Sulaiman. Di video kali ini gue bakal ngeprank pura-pura nggak bisa nyanyi ya. Jadi konsepnya gini nih. Jadi pertama gue nyanyi suaranya difalesin. Abis itu batuk-batuk gitu kan. Ya minum pakai apa nih? Sekalian dong minumnya pakai galon ya bos, pakai galon ya, biar sekalian ya gitulah kira-kira konsepnya ya. Pasti kalian penasaran kan gimana reaksi mereka. Nah kalian nonton aja sampai akhir videonya ya guys ya. Buat kalian yang suka dengan video kali ini, kalian boleh bantu support channel ini dengan subscribe, nyalakan notifikasi, like dan juga share ke teman-teman kalian. Buat kalian juga yang punya Instagram, boleh juga dong ya follow juga Instagram gue supaya kalian gak ketinggalan update-update dari gue. Gue gak bacot lagi, kita langsung aja to the video. Let's go.
Hi.
Can you guys speak English?
Yes.
Nice. How are you guys?
We're not. We're fine. And you?
What do you mean we're not?
No, I wanted to say nice, but it doesn't make any sense. So.
Yeah, I get
we're
it.
fine.
I was really like bored, you know, before.
Yeah.
And after I saw you, you know, I can tell that my days is getting better, you know.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what are you doing here?
Nothing. We're just bored and.
Wait, are you guys sister or something?
No, we're best friends.
Best friends? But you look alike. I don't know, maybe it's dark there, kinda.
Yeah, it's pretty dark here.
By the way, I'm here to sing for people. Is it okay if I sing?
Okay. Yeah.
I'm actually not that good, so that's why.
No. Go for it.
That's why like I'm trying to practice like in front of people, so people can judge me like if I'm any good, you know. Don't skip me, okay?
I won't. Don't worry.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be. Oh my god. Wait. I'm sorry. Wait. Can I have a drink for a moment, please? I think there's something stuck here.
Mhm.
Why are you laughing? Is it okay?
You know it's.
Yeah,
fine.
I know. My bottle is really big, you know.
Yeah.
You like big stuff, right?
Mulut anak kotor.
Anyway, can I sing this
Yeah.
one more time?
Yeah. Sing.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven in touch. 'Cause I wanna hold you so much. And long as love has arrived, and I'm thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. 'Cause I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, 'cause I'm pretty, baby. Don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
It was so good.
So
Oh my
good.
god.
Yes, very
Really?
good.
Yes,
of
oh my
course.
god. And I love the song.
Yes, same.
Oh my god, thank you so much. You know,
It's so good.
Wow.
Yeah.
you know that song is actually for you guys. That like you guys, like too good to be true. You know.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah.
Your voice is amazing. I love
Yes,
your
I
voice.
love
I
your
would
voice
die
too.
to have like beautiful voice.
Yes, same.
But
Same here. I think I will die for you. You know, I was wondering, like, Halloween is over. Like, why are you guys still dressed up like an angel? I'm just wondering.
Nice.
Do you have boyfriend? You have best friend, right? Do you have boyfriend?
no, I don't.
You know, I'm actually have a girlfriend. You know.
Oh, that's cute. That's nice.
You wanna see my girlfriend?
Mhm.
Wait, let me take a look on my phone.
I am the one, the way your son got him. Got him.
She's really beautiful, right?
It could be better, but she's okay.
Yeah, I know, right? She's the most beautiful girl I've seen here.
Oh.
I think you're such a fun person, and I don't want to lose contact with you. You know.
Think you're
Yeah.
also really fun.
You know, like
I can't
omeTV here, the server is not stable, right? We can get skipped like
No, it is
anytime soon. That's why.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So can I have yours Instagram? Your Instagram? And your best friend too, Katarina. I don't want to left her out.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
I know your voice is really, really good.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you.
I love your voice.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
so good.
Thank you so much. And I love you.
And
too.
you're
I love
funny.
you too.
Oh yeah.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Isli bidish.
Oh yeah, that was right.
All right, I gotta go. Okay, thank you guys for hanging out with me.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Really, I will follow you guys later. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Have a great time. Bye.
You too. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh my God. Where are you there?
Where are you there?
Hair transplant.
Hair transplant.
So you're doing hair stuff?
Neredesin diyor. Ay şey diyor. Yes.
Yeah, I want to have hair
I want to have hair
like here.
like here.
Like, I want to have beard.
Now I want to have beard.
Aa.
Can you do that?
Can you do that?
Yes.
Do you think I look good
Do you
when
think
I
look
have
good
beard?
When I have beard.
Yes.
How much the price?
How much the price?
Ray. Please. Dolar ama. Dollar.
$1,500?
$1,500?
Yes. Küçük oda var.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
I mean that's.
Tamam.
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 Aa.
If I be your
If I
boyfriend,
be your boyfriend,
can I get it for free?
can I get it for free?
Okay, give me your Instagram. Come on, give me your
Your
Instagram.
Instagram'ını ver.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Ray.
we can be boyfriend and girlfriend, and you'll do it for free. Okay.
And you'll do it for free, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yay, gratis!
Hi.
You know, guys, I'm here trying to sing. Can you like be my judge? Like, tell me
Of
if I'm
course.
if I'm good or no. Is it okay?
Of course. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but my voice is not good. Okay, so don't skip me.
No, we don't. We won't.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing. Hush. Wait. Let me drink for a moment. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I got something in my throat. I know it's big, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, can I proceed? Alright. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hand in forever. I know there is hope in this water, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. Ooh. Yeah, how was that?
This is so good. You can sing so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
You
It was
guys
really
mean it?
good.
Oh my god, thank you so much, guys. You're really nice.
It was so good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, though. So, if I'm like going for like American Got Talent, do you think I would pass
Of
the
course.
audition?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope.
You think so?
Like at the beginning,
In the beginning, the beginning, yeah. In the beginning.
at the beginning it was actually kind of bad, but it went very good after you.
Yeah, I also realized that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a magic water, you know,
Maybe it's magic water. Yeah.
because it's like changing my voice, you know. Yeah. By the way, wait, are you girl or guy?
I'm a girl. Yeah.
You're a girl? Oh my god, I'm sorry. No, I thought you were a guy at first. I'm sorry.
But it's fine. It's fine. Many people think that.
But you look beautiful though. You look cute.
Thank you. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
You look cute though. Yeah.
Thank you.
I like your hair like that. I wish I have a hair like that. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah. You guys couple? Lesbian? Are you lesbian?
Yeah.
How do you ever have a boyfriend before?
I had a boyfriend before.
Me too.
Well, I had one, but I wasn't comfortable with it.
So how long have you guys been together? You know,
Like about 3 months. Not really long, but
3 months. So you guys are lesbian or bisex?
I'm a lesbian and
I'm pansexual.
Pansexual. Okay, that's interesting. So do you guys have more rooms for me? So maybe I can be your boyfriend. You know, you guys boyfriend. What about that? Can we try? Can we give it a shot?
I don't know.
Yeah, come on. Give me your Instagram. I mean, we can be friends first, and let's see. You know.
Yeah, I can give you my
Yeah.
stuff.
Am I qualified to be your boyfriend?
Yes.
What do you like about me?
Yeah, you're cute.
Thank you so much. You know what I like about you?
Yes.
Everything.
Thank you.
Every single thing on you. Okay. Oh, you know, my internet is 4G, right?
Yes.
and you're for me.
Tunggu aku. Jam 3.
Now he's stealing my girl.
You're stealing my girl. Hey, I can hear that.
Oh, oops.
No, I mean, I'm not stealing anyone. So I will be Catherine boyfriend and also Yulia boyfriend. So we're gonna be like a, you know, triple, couple, the triple, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun, right?
My
my
cheek hurt.
You're just...
Too much laughing for today.
Dennis?
Wait. Lucia, right?
Yeah.
Hey! Oh my god! Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Wow. Nice to meet you too.
Oh my
How
god.
are
know,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
What are you doing here? You looking for me?
No.
Why are you crying?
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
No, maybe yes.
Oh, maybe
I
yes.
don't know.
Okay. Do you know this?
What is this? It's bubble tea?
Yeah, bubble tea. Have you tried that before?
No.
No, never. Really?
But I want. No, yeah.
The-
But I want to try.
Don't you have that in Turkey?
We have, but in
Oh,
not Trabzon. My city.
Not on your city. You don't have that in your city.
Yeah.
Ah, that's too bad. You have to try this. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah, here. Try. Come on.
Okay. No.
No, like here. Like here, like
No. No. I
Nah, I'm just messing
tried.
around. I'm just
So-
But that's really funny though.
Shambe.
I'm doing a prank, like prank content.
Oh.
I cannot do that to you, right? Because you know me. It's a prank, right? Like that. Yeah.
Okay. So you sing something for me?
No, you want me to sing for you? Okay.
Yeah.
We broke up a month ago. Your friends are mine.
Hey, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Wait. Let me drink, okay? Wait.
Oh my god, it's big prank.
I think the boba stuck on my throat. This kind of
Yeah.
this thing, you know? Okay, can I
get
sing
it,
one more
okay.
time?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry for that though.
It's so cute.
We broke up a month ago. Your friends are mine, you know. I know you moved on from someone new. One more girl who brings out better in you. And I told my heart was attached from all the sunlight of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty. Does she mean you forgot about me? So I hope you're happy, just not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, no, I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Yeah, how was that? You know that song?
Yeah, I don't know. but
You don't know?
it's so good.
Really? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I'm sorry. At
Wow.
first I messed up. Because of this boba stuck on my throat. Yeah, I'm sorry for that.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I love your voice.
You know what?
Wow.
Actually, that's a prank I'm doing on this content.
I know.
You know? Okay. Yeah. Of course. Yeah, of course.
Thank you for sing for me.
Of course. Anytime. Anytime.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you around. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, ne?
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you like this? Ouch. Why are you like doing this? Why?
No.
Is your neck sanklek?
I don't know.
Sanklek, right?
What?
Sanklek.
What?
Sanklek.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.